in Molana Azad Urdu High School, Patel, West Delhi. I have completed 20 para in Hifz. Alhamdulillah, Madrasa Quwwatul Islam West Delhi, which is situated in West Delhi district, Baitul, Madhya Pradesh, is a center of Dini and Nasri education, which is providing successfully best education since 2001 all around the area. There are several Muslim families who are living around this madrasa. Madrasa not providing only Dini education but also providing modern education. At present, school conducting class 1st to class 10th Hindi medium recognized with MP board, and soon will get permission for class 11th and class 12th, inshallah. Students are getting modern education with the Hafiz Quran. In this school, around 190 students are taking education. Responsibility of their food and health is on madrasa. Madrasa also providing salary to imams of nearby poor villages who are not able to pay imams' salary. This costs around 2,58,500 rupees yearly to madrasa. Madrasa not having any source of income, but still with the help of Allah and donor like you, madrasa able to fulfill all expenses. Therefore, we request you to help madrasa as per your capacity. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.